How to fix Messenger can't access that chat error 2026. Have you ever opened Facebook Messenger only to be met with a can't access that chat or person can't access this chat yet error? It's incredibly frustrating, especially when you can see the message notification but can't actually read or reply. This usually isn't a problem with your phone, but rather a sync glitch between Facebook servers and the new 2026 encryption updates. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 fastest confirmed ways to fix this without losing your chat history. Hi everyone. This can't access chat error has become much more common recently due to Meta's rollout of end-to-end encryption across all conversations. When the security keys don't match up on both devices, Messenger locks the chat for safety. In this video, we'll walk through the specific steps to force a refresh and get your messages back instantly. Step number 1, the restrict and unrestrict trick. This is the most successful soft reset for specific chats. Open Messenger, find the person you can't message, and swipe left on their name or to select restrict. Once they are restricted, wait about 10 seconds, then go to your settings, select privacy and safety, then restricted accounts, and unrestrict them. This forces Messenger to re-verify the security connection and usually clears the error immediately. Step number 2, clear the Messenger cache. If the first step didn't work, you likely have a corrupted temporary file. On Android, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find Messenger, then Storage, and hit Clear Cache. For iPhone users, since you can't clear cache manually, you'll need to offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Messenger, and tap Offload App. Then, simply tap the app icon on your home screen to reinstall it. This keeps your data safe, but refreshes the system files. Step number 3, check for end-to-end encryption sync. Sometimes the can't access error happens because your secure storage isn't turned on. Tap the 3 lines in the top left of Messenger, hit the gear icon for settings, and go to privacy and safety. Tap on end-to-end encrypted chats and then secure storage. Make sure this is turned on. If it's already on, try resetting your PIN or choosing a different storage method like Google Drive or iCloud to resync your chat keys. Step number 4, the account deactivation refresh. If the error is happening across all your chats, you might need a deeper account refresh. Go to your Facebook Account Center, select Personal Details, and then Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation and temporarily deactivate your account. Don't worry, your data is safe. Simply log back into Messenger 5 minutes later. This forces Meta's servers to rebuild your active session from scratch, which is a nuclear option that almost always works for persistent bugs. Here is an expert pro tip. If you are seeing this error specifically on a new phone, it's because your chat history hasn't been restored to the new device yet. Instead of waiting for the app to catch up, try opening that specific chat on your old phone or a desktop browser at messenger.com. Once the chat is viewed on a trusted device, the security keys will often sync to your new phone within seconds. And that's it. These steps are the most effective ways to bypass those annoying access errors in 2026. If one of these methods worked for you, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which step did the trick. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes to keep your apps running smoothly. Thanks for watching.